Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So in the previous videos related to computer networking and data communications, we covered two layers, the first two layers of the OSI model or the open system interconnection model. So in this video we are going to discuss about the third layer, which is the network layer. Okay, the layered architecture of the OSI model. We have already discussed about physical layer and the data link layer. So in this video we are going to discuss about the network layer, the basic concepts related to network layer. So first let us understand some basic concepts related to network layer, or what a network layer actually does. So as I said, the network layer is the third layer of the OSI model. It lies above the data link layer and below the transport layer. Okay, it lies below the transport layer and above the data link layer, the network layer. Next, the the network layer comes into play in the movement of data across a network. We know that a network consists of many devices or end systems or many nodes which are connected in various arrangements, in various architecture types. So the movement of data in a network, it occurs in two ways. Okay, it can either be hop to hop delivery or it can be source to destination delivery. Okay, the data can flow in a network in one of these two ways. So first let us understand what is hop to hop delivery and what is source to destination delivery, and where network layer and how it is related to the movement of data in a network. So first is hop to hop delivery. So the hop to hop delivery is the flow of data or the movement of data between two devices that are connected across the same link. For example, this we have two computer systems named A and B. They are connected by a single link. So any exchange of data from A to B or B to A will be called as hop to hop delivery. Directly data is flowing from A to B or B to A. There is no intermediate device or node or system in between them. Okay, this direct delivery between two systems, the direct exchange of data between two computer systems is called as hop to hop delivery. Okay, no intermediate or middle device or node. Next is source to destination delivery. So source to destination delivery is the movement of the data packet between the two extreme end devices of a network. Okay, the first and the last device, okay, for which the data is intended. In extreme, by extreme I mean to say that the sending device and the receiving device, okay, they are considered the two extreme data uh, transmission and reception. The device which is transmitting is at one extreme and the device which is receiving is at the other extreme. By that I mean the extreme. So the movement of data between the two extreme end devices through multiple intermediate devices across multiple links is called as source to destination delivery. So source to destination delivery involves multiple intermediate devices. There are many computer systems, nodes or devices in between the sending and the receiving device. So there is no direct transmission of data, but the data is transmitted to the receiving device indirectly through multiple intermediate devices and multiple links. So this source to destination delivery is accomplished by the network layer. Okay, let us understand source to destination delivery with the help of this example. We have a network. Okay, suppose this computer system A has to send some data to this computer system D. So it cannot do it directly. Okay, it cannot send the data directly from A to D because there is no direct communication link existing between A and D. See, there is no communication channel, there is no communication link between A and D. A is connected to D with the help of this middle system, this intermediate system, computer system B. So any exchange of data between A and D has to go through B, this intermediate system B. So first there will be a hop to hop delivery of data from A to B through this direct communication link between A and B. Then that data will again pass through another hop to hop delivery from B to D, and finally it will reach D. Similarly, if A has to send some data to E, then it has to go through two hop to hop deliveries, first A to C and then C to E. Okay, so here the data exchange between A, B, BD, AC, CE through this direct communication links, this direct exchange of data are called as hop to hop deliveries. And the exchange of data through these intermediate systems between the two end systems, that is any exchange of data between A, D or AE, has to be source to destination delivery. It has to pass through an intermediate device or system through multiple hop to hop deliveries. Okay, so this source to destination delivery from the end systems, the end devices, that is from A to D or A to E, is accomplished by the network layer. Okay, so the other functions of the network layer, there are mainly two functions. First is logical addressing. So the network layer, it adds a header to the data packet. Okay, so the data packet in the network layer looks something like this. It consists of two parts. First one is the header. H3 is called as the header, and 3 denotes the level number or the layer number in the OSI model. As it is the third layer, that's why it is called as H3, header number 3. And this is the data bits which contains the information or data which is to be transmitted. So this header, it serves the purpose of identification of the sending and the receiving device. Okay, it is a unique address, and each system or device is allotted a specific unique address which is denoted by the header. Okay, it helps in identification of the source and the destination device involved in the data exchange. And the next function of the network layer is routing. So the routing is a similar process as we studied here. What routing essentially means is to send the data packets from one network to other. Okay, this is one network. Okay, this collection, this group of devices or computer systems that are connected together combined forms a network. Then if we have to send a data from this network to another network, multiple networks, multiple connected networks, okay, the internetworks, which is internet, then that process is called as routing. Okay, the data packet has to pass through multiple intermediate devices across multiple networks. Okay, so this process is called routing, and it requires specific connection devices called as routers or switches, and that function is accomplished by the network layer. Okay, so here are some of the basic concepts related to network layer. So first we understood that network layer helps in accomplishment of source to destination delivery. Okay, source to destination delivery means sending data from one end system to another through multiple intermediate devices or systems through multiple connection links. Then it helps in logical addressing, that is, it adds the header information which is unique to each layer of the OSI model. Here it is called as H3 because it is header which is associated with layer 3, which is the network layer. It helps in identification of the address of the sending and the receiving device involved in data communication. And the other function of the network layer is to send data packets over multiple networks that are interconnected with each other, basically the internet, and it achieves it through specific connection devices called as routers or switches. So here we have discussed some of the basic concepts related to network layer. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.